Good morning, children. Let us discuss about the Geography Lesson 3, Mineral and Power Resources. In previous class, I have explained about the advantages and disadvantages of the like a geothermal energy and also the nuclear energy, biogas, etc. We have learned about the non-conventional sources and what is the advantages and disadvantages we have learned. Today let us learn about the oil and natural gas. Oil, oil, what are the advantages of the oil, and only the natural gas advantages are there. Oil easier to transport and also basis of the petrochemical industry. So the oil, it is the, in petroleum we have learned, when we are taking from the crude oil from underground, what we are by the refinery, what we are getting: diesel, petrol, kerosene, and also the gas. And here the advantages, that to transport from one place to another place by the tankers, it is very easy also. And also the basis of the petrochemical industry also it is there. And about the oil disadvantages: depletion of oxygen due to the oil spillage and gas leakage. And when we are using the oil and also the these things, it will be the sometimes oxygen and gas leakage also is taking place. And pollutants the releasing caused acid rain, and because of the oil it is going to be pollute the air also. When it is polluting the air, and more when pollution is taking place, and also it takes the place acid rains also. Exploration of new fuel is not easy. So oil, when we are getting the crude oil from underground to farm the oil, how many years it is taking? It is taking the millions of the years to farm. So that's why the oil, it is going to be complete. When it is going to be completed, again to farm it takes the millions of the years also. So we have to use oil very carefully also. And the natural gas advantages: easier to transport through pipelines. The gas, how they are going to be transport through the pipelines only, gas is very easy to transport. And cleaner than oil and coal. And natural gas, it is a gas only, comparing to the oil it is very clean also. And cheaper than oil. Oil is more costly, but the natural gas is somewhat cheap. But present days everything it is costly only. Whatever we are by, like a petrol, diesel, and the gas, what purpose we are using? We are using for cooking purpose. And it is also now present days everything is more high rate only. But when we are using the oil and like a petrol, diesel, and all, when we are using it, it is polluting the air also. In the same way, the conventional source of the energy. The conventional source of the energy, let us see the firewood. Firewood advantage and disadvantages: easy access and provide energy to large number of people. So the firewood, it is very easy to available, and also near the forest areas, and it is available. But the providing energy to large number of people in a rural areas, so maximum all the people will be using the firewood for cooking purpose, heating the water, and different ways they were using. For the using of firewood, disadvantages also are there. Collection is time consuming. To collect the firewood, it takes the more time. It is polluting also. The smoking what it comes from the fire, it is going to be pollute the atmosphere. And promoting greenhouse effect. and also deforestation. When we use the firewood, and if they are cutting the firewood, it is going to take the deforestation. What do you mean by the deforestation? Deforestation means cutting of the trees from the forest and clearing of the forest area. So using of the firewood, it is available to all people, and when they are collecting the firewood, it is a time consuming also, more time it takes. The coal, advantages and disadvantages. Extensively available and efficient conversion to electricity by using of the coal. The coal also to farm, it takes the millions of the years, and it is through open mining, and also the from the inside of the earth also they are going to take the coal, and by the drilling, and also the by open cast, they by using of the trucks they are going to carry, and through the using of the coal they are providing the electricity. By using of coal, disadvantages: polluting the source and bulky to transport. To transport the coal, it takes the more time, and also the when they are transporting the coal, bulky at a time, bulky they have to transport, like through the trains also they are going to be transport, by vehicles also they are going to be transport. The one more, hydel power. Advantages of the hydel power: non polluting, promotes irrigation and fishing also, and cheap. The hydel power, when they are producing the by using of the hydel, by using of the water, and when they are producing the electricity, remaining water it is transporting for the irrigation purpose. The power also, by construction of the dam they are preparing the power, and next this water they are going to use the irrigation and fishing also. It is cheap also, that when they are producing the water, and it is the renewable resource also. Disadvantages of the hydel power: displacement of the local community. Next, inundates low lying regions, expensive to set up. So it is more expensive to set up, and they have to construct the dam, storage of the water, force of the water. Then they have to see the area also, the low lying regions, when they are producing the electricity, the remaining water it should flow through the down areas also. So like that way they have to see the area, and also to construct it is more expensive also. So children, these are, and you have to learn advantages and disadvantages of the hydel power, firewood, and also the oil. And yesterday also I have told for you about these information. Everything you have to read in the textbook. What you should read, what you mean by the mineral, mining, extraction, and shaft mining, and also the advantages and disadvantages of the conventional and non-conventional resources, hydel power, biogas, everything. Just you have to read the textbook and understand the more information. Thank you.